Hello everyone, this is How Logical, and in this video I will show you guys how to listen to music offline in Spotify. And if you are new to this channel, hit that like and subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you guys don't miss our future video. So without saying anything, let's start the video. So if you want to listen to music in Spotify offline, then the first thing that you guys need to do is download the music from Spotify. And to download the music from Spotify, you need to have the premium version of Spotify. So for me, I don't have premium version of Spotify, which means I cannot download any musics or any playlist. So it basically means is if I don't have premium version in Spotify, then I cannot download or listen to music offline in Spotify. So if you guys have the premium version of Spotify, then follow this step to download the music from Spotify. So the first thing that you guys want to do is go on settings over here and then scroll down until you see playback. So once you have found playback, click on it, and then there should be an option named offline mode. You want to turn on offline mode. So once you have turned on offline mode, you will be able to play music or playlist that you have downloaded on your Spotify. Now let me teach you how you guys can download the music in Spotify. So the first thing that you guys want to do is click on the playlist or music that you like. So let's say that you guys want to download the whole playlist over here. So there should be a download icon over here. For me, it doesn't show because I don't have the premium version of Spotify, but if you have the premium version of Spotify, there should be a download icon over here. Click on the download icon over here, then your playlist songs will be downloaded. Now let's say you want to download single songs of playlist. Click on three dot icon over here and then scroll down until you see download icon. Once you have found it, click on it. I hope this video was helpful for you guys. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down in the comment section. And without saying anything else, thanks for watching the video and peace out.